What's going on, guys? It's Mark Fernandez here, and today I'm introducing you to my 2002 Honda VTR 250. Now, a couple of specs that it has on it is it's got 24 kilowatts of power and 24 Newton meters of torque as well. So guys, it's got a lot of stuff on it. More than anything, this is just a before video, so I can just show you guys what it looks like now, so we can use this as a point of reference as we are building it and we're going forward. So it does have a few things wrong with it. It's got a couple of dents here and there. I'm not sure if I want to keep the color of the red at the moment. I may want to change that to something else if I fill that, that dent in the tank, and then maybe wrap it something or paint it a different color. It's got lots of stickers and stuff on that, so I'll be wanting to clear that up and make it nice and clean looking. It does have nearly 20,000 kilometers on the odometer. I've had the chance to ride it a few times and it rides really well. I don't have any issues with slipping clutches or anything like that. You can see here that there is quite a bit of fading on the plastics, which is something that I will be addressing. And one thing that really drew me to this bike is the look, and that front single headlight look is such a nice look, which is why I ended up going for the bike, but also because the 250 and it's a Honda. Really, really good platform with surprisingly good brakes. It's got disc brakes on the front and rear, which I was not expecting. And on the spec sheet on Redbook, it doesn't actually say that it comes with that. And of course, we have to see, does it pass the Stella and Ginger test? And they have confirmed that, yes, they like the bike. So the bike stays. And we'll be building it up. We'll be removing some things in the next videos and taking a few things off and adding a few things here and there to try and make it a really, really nice bike and try and bring it back to its former glory. The inspiration for this build is going to come from sort of this cafe racer style. One person that I know of that I've been able to see anyway in an article has built a VTR 250 before with that kind of style. So we'll be taking bits from here, bits from there, from different styles, just depending what catches my eye and what I like. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Our next video is going to go up live next week, and I'll be cutting into this bike and we will be changing some things around. So make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you next week.